Alright, what's up guys? Welcome to my quick unboxing of g.skill Aegis DDR4 RAM. So this is the 1x16 2666 megahertz. I think CL19, that's what it said. So yeah, this is the reason I'm getting such a cheap kit is it's going onto an H110 chipset board with 6th gen Intel, so it's actually limited to 2133. So I'm actually not going to be getting the full potential, but this kit was actually cheaper than other 2133 kits as well, so I was like, why not? So this is the actual RAM stick. In it you only get this g.skill sticker, which I guess that's fine. Pretty basic unboxing. So the RAM kit itself it's black PCB RAM, pretty low profile as well, so this would work in ITX builds if you're limited on RAM space. Yeah, it's basically like a green PCB RAM that's just black, and I think this is just a sticker. Yeah, it's peeling off with my fingernail. So they just throw on some stickers. Pretty basic memory, but that's what you get. I think this kit I bought for less than $60, so that's not too bad, especially during this time. So yeah, that's gonna conclude the unboxing and the video. Anyways, subscribe and I'll catch you in the next video.